What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be rating like 5 or 6 of my fidgets, so let's get it. Alright, first up we got, my banana squishy. It's really squishy, and it's slow rising. So I think I would give this like maybe a solid 8.5 out of 10. Next, we got my glitter ball. This is really cool because you can like separate the glitter from the liquid. So I think I would give this a 9 out of 10, of course. Next is a puppet. I think I would rate this a 10 out of 10. It just sounds really cool. And like both of the sides are like pretty good. So yeah. Next is my favorite, the alien ball. This, I don't know what it is made out of, but oh my gosh, it is so good. It's like some type of like gel or something, I think. But oh my gosh, this is like a 20 out of 10. It's so good. Next is my poop popper. I would give this maybe like a 7 out of 10 because it's kind of like hard to push down. So it gets like hard after you do it for a while. But it sounds really cool, so. Next and last is my fidget cube. Those are some of my fidgets, and of course I got like a bunch more, so I'll like make some shorts or some videos on it, and like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.